The workshop was organized by Center for Social Legal Studies, and it set out to look at criminal justice system which was almost collapsing in Nigeria. The situation led to the enactment of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act in May 2015. The purpose of the act is to ensure the speedy and efficient trial and conclusion of criminal cases. It is also to build criminal justice institutions. Attention was drawn to President Muhammadu Buhari's recent remarks over the frustrating delay of trials in courts, especially corruption cases. This engaged the attention of participants in the workshops, and President for Social Legal Studies, Professor Akishaye George, expressed the doubt that any legal system which is unable to punish or deter graft cannot be sustained.
We noticed that some progressive members of the Assembly considered it embarrassing that our courts were bogged down by endless interlocutory applications filed by Defense Counsel. The criminal justice system has not demonstrated its capacity to curb corruption, which now endangers our nascent democracy and fuels impunity. It is therefore urgent and important that all stakeholders of the administration of justice must rise up to the challenge of restoring the integrity of the criminal justice system.
The Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice commended the political will to prosecute criminal cases, but however proposed a review of some laws to take into account the present prevailing circumstance.
Hence, the wide acknowledgement that existing laws regulating criminal trials in the country had become archaic and moribund in several respects, and could no longer cope with the scope and sophistication of emerging trends in the administration of criminal justice in Nigeria and globally.
If our criminal laws work efficiently against the poor, but stagger in application against the rich and powerful, we will ultimately provoke anarchy and the rage of the poor.
Despite this situation, high-profile cases never make progress, but the smaller fries who do similar things get convicted.
17 recommendations were made at the workshop, among which is that an appellate court should not entertain interlocutory appeals in defiance of the clear provisions of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act. The judiciary should develop a strong national judicial policy which should prohibit the abuse of interlocutory applications and injunctions. The Administration of Criminal Justice Act is just one in a series of legislation required to improve criminal justice system in Nigeria. Wumi Obabori, AIT News, Abuja.